how to make text bigger on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how you can make your text size bigger on your iPhone. For that, head over to Settings, then go to Accessibility. There you'll find Display and Text Size. Here, tap on Larger Text and then toggle it on. Now you'll see the slider on the bottom. So if you want to make your text larger, you just have to slide it to the right. And you can see the preview up there. So you can drag it to the very end. So this is what the text on your iPhone will look like. Just move the slider to your preference and then come back. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.